In this tutorial, we're going to look at how you can upload videos onto the Flipgrid platform. So your teacher will have shared with you via Google Classroom the link to the Flipgrid platform where you're able to watch the teacher's Flipgrid videos, and you're also able to upload Flipgrid videos. And that link is just flipgrid.com/British123. And when you click on that link, it will take you to this web page here. Now, to log in, all you need to do is click login with Google, and you'll sign in using your student Gmail account. And when you log in, you'll get to this page, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to watch all of your teachers' Flipgrid videos which show their magic experiment, and you're going to have to think about and work out the magic behind, the science behind their experiments. Then you're going to make your own magic video, magic trick demonstration, which involves some kind of science. Now, to do that, all you have to do is click on this plus button here. So you click on this plus button, and there's two ways of making your Flipgrid video. The first way, if you've already filmed yourself or someone else has filmed you using your phone or a digital camera or an iPad, for example, and then transferred that video over to the computer, it should be on your hard drive. So you can click on the upload button here and simply upload your video from your computer. So you can see I've got, for example, Mr. Junior's video on here, which I can upload. I'm not going to do that now though, because I've already uploaded Mr. Junior's video. But you can see this is how you would upload your video if you've already got it saved on the hard drive of your computer. An even quicker and easier way to make your video is to do it straight on the platform by simply clicking on this red record button. So let's have a go at doing that now. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. And now I'm recording. So this would be when you deliver your demonstration of a magic trick with science behind it, and you can have up to 5 minutes to do your demonstration, no more. And what's also good and nice about this feature of using Flipgrid to record your video is you've got all of these options like adding text, adding stickers, adding little cartoons and filters. You've got a drawing option. So there's lots of little things for you to play around with to make it a really interesting and compelling video. Also, if you make a mistake or you say something wrong or you think you can improve upon your video, you can simply click redo, okay? And then you'll start again and begin making a new video which overwrites the video that you were just making. I'm not going to do that now though, because this is just a test. So when you have finished making your Flipgrid video, literally all you do is you click next, and now I'm recording. So this would be where you see it's reviewing, deliver your demonstration of a magic, and you can click next. And I can add a selfie. I can add a sticker as a selfie as well, but I think I'll just smile. So there's my attempt at smiling for my selfie. Then I click next. And we wait a moment for that video to upload. Obviously, the shorter your video is, the quicker that it will upload onto Flipgrid. Then, once it uploads and you've submitted it, your teacher will be able to review your video and publish it. Once it's published, everyone in the Flipgrid, on the Flipgrid platform, which is all of you who have been invited, will be able to watch the videos and comment on the science involved in those videos. Now that video has uploaded to Flipgrid, the Flipgrid platform, I can just write my name and I can give some information in here about what the video was about, what the magic trick was about. And then all I do is I click submit video. And then get this message which says that I've successfully submitted the video. And it says, heads up, this topic is moderated. Your video will be visible when it's approved. So I click complete, and now I just need to wait for one of the teachers to approve my video, and then it will appear here with your teacher's videos. Thank you.